All right, Tigers, today we're going to talk about how to get to an accelerated reader quiz. Directly on your home screen, you can type REN into the search bar. You can find it this way, or it'll pop up here. Once you're ready, you click. Once you click on Renaissance, you'll see Accelerated Reader where you'll click. Once it loads, it should say search for books, articles, or quizzes. You'll type in the title of the book that you just completed, followed by the search bar. Once you've looked, you'll see items being found. For this person's book called Archer's Quest, there were 4 items. So what I would like for everyone to do is to look at the cover art and the little summary right here. Make sure that this matches what you have read. Otherwise, you're taking a quiz on something you might not have read. Once you have confirmed, you're going to hit Take Quiz. You have 3 options of quizzes to take: literacy skills, vocabulary practice, and reading practice. For AR points, you're going to hit Reading Practice, Start Quiz. Then you have 3 more options. How did you read this book? Did you listen to the book with an audiobook? Did you read with someone? Or did you read by yourself? Click whatever applies. Then you have a question, read the quiz to me. If you have the fast accommodations where the test is read to you, I would select yes. If you don't, then I would select no, because we need to practice how our fast tests are set up. Once you're ready, hit Start Quiz. You'll have the number of questions up at the top, the question above the line, and multiple choices. Select whatever answers you need to and hit Next. You can then rate your book 1 star, as in not so great, or 4 stars, as in one of the best. It'll tell you whether you passed or not, the percentage of what your test score was, and how many you got right, as well as how many points that you've earned, where then you can see your progress. It'll then tell you if you've met your goal or if you're on track to meet your goal. There, you can search another book to take a quiz on, or come down to the Media Center to check out a new book for a new adventure. All right, Tigers, now that everyone knows how to take an accelerated reader quiz, remember, I have tons of cool prizes and fun parties to plan once I see these points roll in.